That's the cable right there, you see it?
Okay.
Alright, that's the cable. But we are not able to push it anymore.
Oh, there's a rag.
Because there's something.
There's a rag.
Is that a rag?
Paper towel, rag.
I don't know, there's something in there. I don't know what that is. But it don't let me go past it. Okay. Right there, that's the cable.
Yeah, that's the cable. There's paper.
Oh, that's where it goes into the. No, that's in it.
Broken right there.
That's right there. I don't know what that goes.
You got stuck on something right there.
That's probably broke right there. See it?
Yeah. You got
See
stuck right there.
See how the bottom is right there?
Pull back.
It
Pull back.
looks like it goes down. See how it looks broke right
Oh,
there?
yeah. Went into the mud.
I think so.
Oh, the belly's rotted out.
That's what it is. See
The
it?
belly of the pipe's rotted out.
I think that's the head right there.
Yeah, because that's the top, that's the bottom. See?
Alright, we want to go right there and see if it's right there. Alright, we're going to locate this real quick and see what it is.
The whole bottom of it rotted out.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to be on the estimate and get this in a while.
Wasn't it tied into the AC or something? The AC closet?
Pull it back, Porsche. Pull it back.
Push forward?
No. It is. It's in between this right here. Okay. It's right here.
It's like the AC, right?
Huh? It's
Gotta
right
be
here.
connected right
But
here.
man, I thought I pushed it further than that, didn't I?
Yeah, it seemed like it.
Like I went like.
How far did? But you found the front and the back of the cord?
Yeah.
And it's right here at the AC.
Yeah, it's right there. Maybe it goes. Let's see. Hold on.
That's where it goes into the. That's where it goes in the ground right there. Oh, wait.
No, look, it's right there. See it? Oh man, I don't know. It's right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, busted through.
Does.
Go further in.
It's gonna be stuck.
Right there is where it's at, right there. You still see it.
Feels like it's going further now.
Yeah. Yeah.
the head. Right? Is that the head?
Looks, yeah, 'cause it's all wrapped right there. See all the paper towel? I see the paper towel or a rag or something. But then it keeps going, right?
Oh, it did. Yeah, it feels like it did. Oh, this falls up as well.
Hang on here. Let's see where it's at.
I don't see it.
To flush toilet?
Uh-uh. Is that broken?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The belly. That's the whole belly right there.
Yeah, we
Look
need
how bad that is right there. See the top?
Yeah.
Right there. Go back forward.
Yeah, that's the cable right there.
That's the cable right there. It's buried inside the belly right there.
Look. See it right there?
It's draining right there.
And then that's where it disappears, huh?
It's right here. Right there.
Okay, that's gonna be right there. I don't want to see how far it goes, but I don't want to get stuck. That's weird how it does that.
Behind the fridge.
Got a camera?
Yes.
They tell you need a camera?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna pull it back. Straight this way.
So that's like part. Huh?
I'm too old to look at it, guys. I already started there.
Okay, we already located it. I am going to get an estimate to replace the whole kitchen sink line.
That's all the way to the restroom sink, probably, huh?
Uh-huh. That'll be it for this survey. This is Shire, apartment 1801.